While you're working in your Vectric software with components, 3D models, and you try to create a boundary vector around that component, and if it's not selected, you'll get this error message: cannot create boundary vector. Without anything in the 2D or 3D view and trying to create a boundary vector by clicking on the icon, you'll get the error message: no selected components. So the answer is, even if you do have a component, but it's not selected, the software will not be able to create the boundary vector. Thanks for watching. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. And if you have any questions or comments, you can contact us at mm@mezalick.com. Enjoy!